Hey, what's up, Journey Gang? Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Life. On this channel, we bridge the gap between neuroscience and spirituality. We focus on how the mind works so we can create our own reality. Now, if that sounds like your get down, you are in the right place. Hang out a while, subscribe if you feel in the vibe, and then, of course, feel free to hit the like button and comment on any videos that resonate with you. In today's video, we're going to talk about what living in the end feels like. So many of us have heard that Neville Goddard term, living in the end, but I see so many comments that say, how do I know I'm even doing that? What does living in the end feel like? How do you know if you're doing it right? So I want to talk a little bit about that. Living in the end means that you live as though your accomplishments have already been fulfilled. The hopes and dreams and desires that you are looking to manifest into your life, they've already appeared. So when you live in the end, you're actually living as though that's happened. Now, a lot of people struggle with that because it's like, okay, how do I live in the end when my current reality that I'm seeing out here really don't look like my accomplishments have happened? It looks the opposite of that, in fact. So how do I look beyond those circumstances and live in the end? And then once I do feel like I'm living in the end, what is it supposed to feel like? So first of all, this is a mind game. And that's why I talk so much about neuroscience and how the mind actually works. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference if you are visualizing the end or if the end really has happened. So what you're training your subconscious mind to do is bridge the gap between you and that end. You're training your subconscious mind to believe that the end has happened, which means you are going to identify with that end. You are going to, like, let's say you want to be a talk show host, right? You are going to live your life every day as though you are that talk show host. What would that talk show host do in the morning when they wake up? How would they dress? How would they greet other people? What would their self-confidence look like? You have to think about the things that would be included in that end and then take as much of that as you can in. Forget about what your current circumstances look like. Go ahead and live as though you are in that end as much as you can. You're not going to be able to not go to work today because you're a talk show host. That's not going to happen today, right? But you can show up to work early as though you're the most important person there. You ever notice supervisors and managers, they're always at work early. It don't matter when their shift starts. They're always there like 30 minutes early because they are an important cog in the machine. So they show up like they are important. So you could start doing that. Think of little things that you would do. If you were a talk show host, you might want to keep your body tight. So start working out. Get up a little bit earlier in the morning and go for a walk. Choose healthier foods that's going to keep you alive and keep you on your show longer. Start studying the topics that you want to talk about on your show. So whatever end you want to see in your life, start picking little things that you can do now, living in that end as much as possible. Now, what is that going to feel like? You're going to feel accomplished. You're going to feel complete. You're going to feel whole. You're going to feel satisfied. That is a really good word. You're going to feel content, right? Because your end is there. So you're going to be happy. And no matter what it looks like right now, it doesn't have to look like your end is even possible. If you are playing this game like it's played, if you can look beyond your circumstances and begin to really live in that end, you are going to bridge the gap between you and that end. You are going to start to feel content. You are going to start to feel happy. And when you do, that is going to bring that manifestation closer and closer to you. I want you guys to go out there and try this, especially this February while we're doing this challenge, okay? I want you guys to really try to live in the end when you're doing those visualizations and bridge the gap between you and your end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you got value out of this video. I love you all for no reason at all. I'll see you next time.